types. We have permutations or pick situations, and then we also have combinations. And each one is written with both notations. That notation is kind of similar to the calculator, and then also just another notation for permutation and that other notation for combination. Honestly, I'm just going to go through these really fast. This is 5 pick 5, which means you have 5 objects and you have to write them in order of 5 or order matters. So this one's just 5 factorial. Here we have 6 objects. The order matters, but we only have to write out 3 of them. So we're not going to use, for example, any of these that have that choose formula, form 2 of them where there's 2 values. We're just going to use a pick formula. Because really what happens is this is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is 3 factorial, which is 3, 2, 1. So really what all you do is when you have 6 things to choose from and you need 3 and the order matters, you have 6 choices for one, 5 choices for the next, 4 choices for the third. So that's why this type of permutation question can be written in this format. Here's another one that's permutations, so 8, 6, 8, 3. And then we get into those combination ones. 6, choose 3 has that very specific combinations format to it. 8, choose 6 has that specific combinations format. And then this was, I think, a typo on first periods, but this should have been a choose question. This was supposed to be 8, choose 3. Which should be our last value for. What I would say is if you haven't watched the videos for 1 or you haven't done the last 3 questions in part 1, please look at that because matching these is pretty easy. Number 1 goes over how to simplify some of these things by hand, how to both write them out and then calculate the value. For example, how to show that this is 20. So, or to show that this is 120. So please, if you haven't looked at 1, go do look at 1. Anyhow, this was just a matching. Let's move on to number 3.